What is good, YouTube? Jaden Zexel opening. Well, I'm getting my little brother to open 2 packs for us, so he'll be opening his. Okay.
God, freaking crap.
Aww. Alright, and I'll be opening mine. We're hoping to pull Judgment Day or Dragossack. Oh, pulled a Gauntlet Launcher. What's up?
There you go.
Thank you. Alright, this is what we already pulled. This is my pulls. We bought a box and then shared it. Shared half. So we got this guy, and I don't know, whatever rarity that is. Secret Totem Bird, which, it's whatever. This guy. Madolce Knights. Harpies. Trifortops. My bad. Gogogo golem. That. Do a barrel roll. Love that card. That one. My bad. Good gosh, man. These cards are going everywhere. And then we got one of these, which is pretty nice. That's basically all we pulled out of the Elemental Dragons. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.